All right, we got the brand new Surron. It's a little too heavy for me to drag in the garage by myself in this crate. I'm gonna pop it out right here. All right, got the box off of it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the wheel off, and then I need to get, I believe, a 4mm Allen and get this axle out of the front. Oh, all right, guys, got her out of the crate, and then I didn't want to put the front wheel on because I've got some rotor work to do to the front wheel, and I had to lift this thing up to get it out of the van, so I threw this thing on my shoulder. These things only weigh like 120 pounds. That's what's cool about these little hybrid bikes. So I threw this thing on my shoulder and carried it into the garage, and I have the indentions in my arm to prove it. But yeah, now I'm gonna start getting the all the packing material off of it, get it up here on the lift, and we can start looking at some mods.